How to save account in Roblox. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to save account in Roblox. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to go ahead and open settings on your device. Now locate the Google app or Google option and tap on Google button. Open it and then you will land on this interface. Now tap on all services next to recommended. Tap Autofill option. Select Autofill with Google. And here, you need to tap on Google Password Manager. On this page, you need to tap on Add Password and then select Site. Here you can tap Select App and then locate Roblox. Tap on Roblox. Add the username and the password and tap the Save button at top right corner of the screen. So let's tap the Save button at top right corner. Once you do that, you need to launch your Roblox applications on your device. Now once you land on the section, tap the Login button. And here you need to tap on Username at top of the screen. Once you tap on it, the saved password and username will pop up in this way and you can easily select any one of your choice. Once you do that, you can easily log into your Roblox application. So that is how we can easily save accounts in Roblox. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.